2015 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, outside temperature gauge, door reinforcement. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated rear seat, push button start, child safety locks, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Every Honda is a product of innovative engineering and quality manufacturing. Your dealer performs an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection to ensure that each vehicle meets Honda standards. Only well-maintained Honda models are eligible. Honda certified used cars, so reliable they're certifiable.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.